Example problem 2 reads, an outdoor hose pipe is carrying water to a yard sprinkler at a speed of 3.7 meters per second with a volume flow rate of 4.79 times 10 to the fifth cubic meters per second. What is the interior area of the hose pipe at a single point inside of the hose? So the problem has told us that we have a velocity of 3.7 meters per second. We have a volume flow rate of 4.79 times 10 to the fifth cubic meters per second. And it's asking us for the area in units of meters squared. And so the formula for this is volume flow rate equals area times velocity. We're searching for area, so we would divide by velocity to get that to cancel. And the formula that we're going to be using is area equals volume flow rate divided by velocity. And so since volume flow rate is in its correct units and velocity is in its correct units, we can go ahead and just plug in what we know here. So the volume flow rate is 4.79 times 10 to the fifth cubic meters per second divided by the velocity, which is 3.7 meters per second. And that is going to equal an area of, so in our calculators, 4.79 second e to the fifth divided by 3.7. And we're going to go in scientific notation for this one. That is going to equal an area of 1.29 times 10 to the fifth meters squared. Let me know if you have any questions about example problem 2.